Today we're going to test the lawnmower spark plugs. We have two spark plugs here. So this one, it is the Rockwood F6 RTC. So I bought this in 2011. Now it's 7 years old. The problem with this plug is there's no sparks with this plug. It looks perfect from outside. And this one I just received today, and it's a NGK, and it is the BPR5ES. From the menu, you can either use F6 RTC or NGK BPR5EX. I bought NGK this time. So today we're going to test with the multimeter to say what's the difference with this the 41 Rockwood 41 old one with no sparks and the new one. So we're going to measure resistance between here and this centerpiece connector. They should be connected, maybe some resistance, and we're going to measure resistance between this ground, the case, the metal case, and the tip of the spark plug. We set our multimeter to 200K. I think this is a good range to test. So we're going to find out the range of the resistance. So between the AND connector and the tip of the plug, we test. So 5.1 kilo ohm. And this is the old one. So we test again. 5.2 kilo ohm. Very similar. So this old one, 41, and the new one, the resistance between the connector at the bottom and the tip of the spark plug, about 5.1 for this, 5.2 for this. So there's no problem for this. Next, we're going to test resistance between this ground metal case and the tip over there. So for this new one, you can see the resistance is unlimited. So there's no connection between the ground, the metal case, to the tip. For this old 41, so we're going to test the ground case and the tip. So you can see it's 9.4 kilo ohm, the resistance between the ground case and the tip. In summary, you can see the old plug, we have resistance between this ground case and the tip. And for the new one, there's unlimited resistance between the ground case and the tip. So this is what I have drawn. Rockwood A, the ground, B, the tip, C, the connector. So between A and B is about 9.5, 9.6, 9.8 kilo ohm. Between B and C is about 5.1, 5.2. And for the new one, it is very similar between B and C, but between A and B, it is not connected, totally separated.